Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. I'm retwisting my hair today for the first time in about 8 weeks, so I figured I would record a video for you. I have a video just like this, but I think I had just turned 1 year locked, and right now I'm 3.5 years locked. So this is just going to be an updated video on how to retwist your hair, and I'm also going to be showing you how I keep my retwist for over 4 weeks. All right, so I keep this towel on me just so I don't get wet, and then I have a scrunchie. I'm gonna start at the front of my head just because I don't feel like filming the back of my head right now because I have a movie on over here and I want to watch it. I'm going to take out the the locks that I need. I like to do straight down when I twist, so I'm gonna do this one and I'm gonna do this one. So I'll do these two, and then I'll do these two. So these are going to be the locks that I am twisting. And then I'm just going to put I'm losing them. This is why you need to clip your hair. My clips they're right here. I'm being lazy. Okay, so I'm gonna clip these out of the way. So I always start by taking a rat tail comb and just combing my roots, and typically like I would make a part, but my part is pretty straight. Oh, I guess not. Okay, now my part is pretty straight. I just like to get the roots here. Now, I don't like to use a lot of product on my hair, but I am going to be using the 4C Only Lock Braid and Twist Gel just on the front because I like the front of my hair to be sleek. So I just take a little bit and I slick it down just like this. And I'm doing that on both locks. And if you want to, you can comb it again just to make sure it's evenly distributed. I'm going to take it in between my hands because we're palm rolling. I close my hands and I'm just going to start rubbing my right palm up and my left palm down. And when I do that, it twists my lock. I'm gonna show you again. So you just go kind of like in like a sliding motion, and your lock is going to start to twist. You can clip this to your shirt. I just put it in my mouth because usually I'm going very fast, so I'll do that. All right, and now we do the same thing with the other side. I mean, with your other lock. All right. So now you have 2 retwisted locks. And now you can keep your hair just like this. Like I said, you can clip it and then you can just wear your hair down. I'm not a fan of wearing my hair down with the retwist because my hair begins to unravel. So this is how I keep my retwist for over 4 weeks. I'm going to do rope twist. And so when I do the rope twist, I'm still twisting my hair. Like I'm still twisting my lock even as I'm twisting my hair, and you just go all the way down. And when I get to the end of my lock, I don't like just leaving it stringy like this because my ends are a little bit stringy just because when I started my locks were dyed and it just kind of ate the bottom of my hair, so it's not as thick as the top. I like to just wrap it around itself and then I secure it with a rubber band. Voila. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps all over my head. We're saying yes, what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. What you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. So you make me so. You make me so. You make me so.
Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.
All right, it's about an hour and a half later. I just finished my hair. I wanted to come outside because the light wasn't coming through the window anymore and I needed good light. And I love the sunlight because you can really see how my hair looks. So I'm gonna keep this style for about 4 or 5 weeks just because I don't feel like doing anything to my hair. And then when I take these down, my retwist is gonna stay for maybe like 2 extra weeks. So I have a good month, 2 months of a good retwist. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you got this far, make sure you leave a brown heart in the comments. And if you have any questions about your lock journey, you can always leave them in the comments. And I have a whole playlist of like 50 videos of my lock journey because I've been recording my lock journey since day 5. So there's so many things for you to binge watch if you have any questions, if you are new to your lock journey. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.